from Tijuana, Mexico. Here we are on Fridays. Okay, I want to introduce you. Okay, we're going to have a real interview with real two patients, but I want to introduce you to a patient named Derek. Derek,
Hi.
how old are you, sir?
I'm 11.
11 years old. Now, have you ever been adjusted before you came to this clinic?
Yes, I've been adjusted.
Yeah?
Oh.
What?
Actually, no, I haven't been adjusted before.
You mean this is the first time you've ever been to a chiropractor? Okay.
Well, not today, not today.
Yeah. Do you like the adjustments?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Is
Yeah.
it fun?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I'm trying to convince Derek to be a chiropractor, and he told me he has a unique technique for giraffes. And I thought, cool. Do you want to demonstrate that, please?
Yes.
Ow! Okay, good job, dude. Now, I had to.
I know.
Okay, but
That's what everyone thinks.
Melinda, where are you from?
I live in Maui.
Okay, you got to talk like there's people way back there.
Oh, I live in Maui.
And Maui? No, oh wait,
See,
it's really freaking good. Wait, Maui's far away. What are you doing over here?
getting well.
Okay, I know. Have you ever been?
Chiropractic,
I know.
IVs.
Isn't this fun?
Yeah.
Okay, now people are wondering why would you take charge of your own health, particularly when we have so many drugs that you could take to cover up your symptoms. Okay, I know. This is like ridiculously stupid things to ask. So what made you come over here?
I used to watch your videos
Oh, cool.
on how you empowered your patients.
Okay, so you've seen both clinics.
Yes.
Is the stuff we talk about true?
Oh, yeah.
I know. I mean, that's the stuff. It's not me doing it. Okay, the body is you've got an energy about you. You're built by God. I mean, this stuff heals. So what kind of stuff have you experienced, and what kind of stuff have you seen? Can you share any of that?
You mean the process? Like from
Everything.
the beginning?
Everything.
Oh, well, the staff in both places are really kind, full of love, and that feels very supportive.
Yes. And that's a lot of training and whipping and beating. And they don't hit me that hard, so they're very mellow.
Very funny. I guess I knew that I would get well after first conversation with you. And I've now seen it measured a few times, and I'm seeing the results of how my spine is changing, and I have less pain, I can sleep, I'm not dizzy all the time.
Oh my God. Okay, the blood analysis. You saw it, the blood now.
Yeah.
What's today's blood look like?
It looks more like a healthy person.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, amazing.
Yeah.
Now, what about coming to Mexico? Because you've been down here, you've been up north, you've been down here. What is it hard to cross the border? Or any?
Getting into Mexico is the easiest part. It's not bad going out if you time it right. Yeah.
Yeah, timing's everything.
Or you can let Bruno do it all for you. And then it's easy.
Bruno's an expert driver. We've raced across the border a few times. I've never won.
He knows all the shortcuts.
He knows all the shortcuts.
Yeah.
Now, what? Because you're talking sleep, balance, and other stuff going on. What made you choose this stuff? I mean, because you're taking charge of your health, and that's unusual. What's your background? What did you have? Because people either had good bad examples or bad good examples.
Well, I was taught not to trust the medical establishment. They wanted to do things to me, and I refused. And I luckily found a good environmental doctor about 30 years ago who turned me on to how my body can heal itself. And then he taught me ways to support it. I don't know what else to say.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Your body can heal itself, and that is what blows people away, because we got so many people that just say, well, it runs in my family. It's genetic, even though I never had it my whole life. And none of that's true. Your body's adapting to stress. Now, what can you tell someone out there that doesn't know that their body can heal itself? I'm always struggling with this.
Really?
I'm saying, look, your body's intelligent. No, mine's not. I've heard that. Honest to God.
Well, I'm living proof. I said no to what they wanted me to do, and I got to survive. and I have thrived. And the things that occurred to me, to my body, were not hereditary. They were not. They did not run in my family. And I got through some stuff that was supposed to be incurable before. And most recently, the thing that we're working on, I was encouraged to get surgery and have parts removed, which I said no to. And now I know I don't have to.
Isn't that cool? So canceling a surgery, restoring health, because the body's self-healing and self-regulating. And let me tell you, when a doctor says that it's hereditary or it runs in your family, name 5 family members that don't have it. Okay, what's the difference between genetic and genetic expression? It's a whole different freaking world, okay? Take charge of your health. Know that your body is intelligent.
Yeah.
And be like Melinda. Look pretty on the outside and healthy on the inside.
Now.
Now.
Wow.
You rock.
Yeah.
Thank you.